Welcome back to my channel Score and Shine. In this video, I'll be telling you all about the AFO mains test series. This is our first test series and it will be fully free and it is completely free but only for my both Telegram and YouTube channel subscribers. Well, let's get into the video. As we all know, according to the calendar, prelims of AFO exam will be on December and mains will be on January. Keeping this on mind, we have planned the test series from 1st of August to November 15. Why before November 15? In the sense, by the time you will get the notification of IBBS SO and you should start preparing for prelims on full time. And so, the mains test series will end by November 15. And here to remember you can join to our Telegram channel Score and Shine. I'll keep the link of the channel in description. You can go check it out there. Well, let's get into the schedule now. On 1st of August, you'll have the previous year questions quiz. And this is why because only then you will come to know what type of questions will be asked and how to study and what to study and what not to study. And for that, previous year questions quiz will be on 1st of August and from 2nd August to 15th November on weekdays, that is from Monday to Friday, you will have subject wise quiz. In subject wise quiz, the important subjects like agronomy and animal husbandry, which also includes poultry and fishery and entomology, pathology, horticulture and soil science, these will be dealt first and later on other miscellaneous subjects and topics will be dealt later on. And this will be on weekdays, that is from Monday to Friday. On Saturdays, here I have mentioned the Saturdays 7th August, 14th August, 21st August and so on. On Saturdays, you will have quiz on agri current affairs and also on the schemes. Saturdays, you will have quiz on agri current affairs and schemes. And in Sundays, you will have quiz on the entire portion of Monday to Saturday. Sundays, you will have the weekend quiz on the entire portion of from Monday to Saturday. That is the weekend quiz on Sundays. Every Sundays you will have, and in some of the places here I have mentioned as full length quiz. Full length quiz in the sense here 4th and 5th September you will have the full length quiz, that is the entire portion from 1st of August to 3rd of September will be the portion for the quiz on 4th and 5th September. That is the full length quiz. And similarly on 8th, 9th, 10th October and 13th, 14th, 15th November. This is the agenda right now. Hope you understand, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment and also you can ask me in the Telegram channel in the personal chat. Okay, this is the right now schedule for the quiz series, and later on when the notification arises I'll tell you the schedule for the mock test which will be based on the exam pattern. Okay, delay is dangerous, so kindly please join and start preparing from now itself. And now I'll tell you how to join to the AFO test series group. Yes, quiz will be held in the separate group. Quiz will be not be held in the group which is earlier, that is not will be in the Score and Shine group. It will be held in the separate group. So if you have to join, kindly message me in the personal chat in Telegram, not in the YouTube channel or in the comment section. You should message me in the Telegram, then I'll add you to the group. Once again, I'm telling you this will be free only for both my Telegram and YouTube channel subscribers. To join, you can message me in Telegram and I'll join you to the group. Okay, hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Do join to my Telegram channel. I'll keep the link of the channel in Score and in the description, and do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon too. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.